Welcome to the wonderful world of reading. In this I Can Read story, Pete the Cat's not-so-groovy day, you will be going on a fun adventure. Are you ready to read? Here we go! Pete wakes up. He swings his legs over the bed. Brr! The floor is cold. Pete looks down. Oh no! One of his slippers is missing. That is not groovy, Pete says. Pete is ready to get dressed. He puts on his pants. He puts on his socks. He looks for his coolest shirt. Oh no! His best shirt is dirty. Pete puts on his second best shirt. This shirt is cool too, he says. Pete's tummy rumbles. He is hungry. He hopes Mom made fish. Mom gives Pete a plate. It is eggs. Eggs are not groovy, Pete says. Pete's eggs are good, but they are not what he wanted. His morning is not off to a good start. Time for school, Mom says. Get your bag, Pete. You do not want to be late. Pete picks up his bag. Oh no! All his books fall out. Pete looks at the floor. It is a mess. Pete has a lot of books. Hurry up, Pete, Mom says. The bus is here. Pete picks up his books. He runs outside. But Pete is too late. The bus is gone. It left without him. Pete starts to walk. Walking is not cool, he says. Then Pete sees a bird. But that bird is cool. Pete gets to school. He sits down. Pete, you are late, his teacher says. It is time to draw. Now Pete is happy. He loves to draw. He loves to use lots of colors. Pete opens his bag. Oh no! His crayons are not there. They must be at home. Pete draws with a pen. He does not like his art. It has only one color. This art is not groovy, he says. In music class, Pete plays his guitar. His song is groovy. Pete starts to feel better. Oh no! Pete's pick breaks. He cannot play anymore. I do not feel cool, Pete says. At recess, Pete sits under a tree. He wants to go home. Pete does not like this day. Callie sees Pete. She sits next to him. "You look sad," Callie says. "What is wrong?" Pete tells Callie about his day. "Nothing has gone my way. Today is not groovy," Pete says. "Not groovy at all." Callie smiles. Some days are groovy, some are not. "You will be okay, Pete. You are the coolest cat I know." Pete looks up. He smiles. "You are right, Callie. Today is not groovy, but I am groovy. I am cooler than any bad day." "Way to go, Pete," Callie says. "Now let's go play." Pete and Callie swing on the swings. They slide down the slide. They kick a ball back and forth. Pete smiles. He is happy. Today is groovy after all.